come to you and me be Juma. Me drew reception ho. And Tina. Front desk or say me dressing in your complete.
Because it did Christmas.
Nah. As a man was as we said Bruno Maya. In Tina and I say me chi. I say me from radio and from Mekasa. Now me pom program na wajina idea. And I'm say okay, Mati. Inti omo share wo Nhyira TV or YouTube no. So I want to share Bruno channel. Na say Tina.
Me gra o man bi.
Me na radio ni e.
Me na fi me jam di ofi.
O ma obi o.
Anra no man bi. Ano man bi me refi. Na so nka me she because e di Christmas. Na say nka me de ba. Na say nka me de ba.
Oh, okay.
China me she me de nyame adoma.
Oh, okay.
Na me adoma china me she.
Na Rich. Ene me won common giti bi. Me no ni etie for EPCD.
Okay.
Na in common kitten no. In common kitten di a yin nyina ye bedi.
Okay.
Me say we obi a wutie program na say wo sha. Also contribution ehun be hia pa because komo e na yin nyina ye di oso adwen kire ne se ne ehun nioma. O de ba ebeboa. Na Rich say wo your platform ne so a. Me the picture bi ato so. Me say wo hu a.
Me free Kobe Mainoo.
Na enye AI picture. Nipa kona hu no picture ni mu no. And your social media for me say ma mon download na mon fanto Nhyira TV na omo mo hwehwe oni hu picture kra me kan wasam. Rich, last game of Manchester United boy was against Bournemouth. Me boy.
About 4-4.
This picture was posted right after money Bournemouth game, you know, by who? Jordan. Jordan Ayala, Rich, he is the brother of Kobe Mainoo. Or say, free Kobe Mainoo. Now, Minister Kobe Mainoo is the prison there. Now, Rich, there's a big problem at Manchester United.
A message be abidi how?
A message abidi on. Wait me come me and I say a bit distorting come on.
Oh, when distracting about I say who say oh can be.
Oh, na me just keep free fatilo.
And you so we ya.
You ready because I
really need. So we ya. Isaka Fuseni.
Oh, okay na. Isaka say ke sky cha if ya. And go for a while it's wa we internet so no. See I can see a chiskana. Some line up boys in one see ya. Isaka enrus yo.
Na tilo grade ba be much many dia chiri.
Eti ebi is offer protocol. Now you ever set Isaka issue no.
No problem.
First of all, when I am Manchester United.
Yeah.
Rich, boy, I did actually. Club Papa Bia o yase. And you Mainoo and omode yo mo football. And make a football now this time around me discuss it bon sporting project no. And number 2. Set auto world class players quality players apapa e dey about team na o ma be bobo na ma for a sustainable and consistent years and say wo san so auto players no na o youth development so e produce quality talents na o di omo afrem. That is how every good thing we has be and is surviving. And we can go through a lot of examples. Every big club here.
Barcelona, Real Madrid. Auto big fish, you know.
Yes, auto
academy, no.
Yes. Now our club, now all team, no. And to team here we can get examples. and they are Bayern and go for Bayern. Rich Bayern today, Hurricane mu eshe goals no, Olise mu e bobo no, and these are players they bought them. Then they add Nansei Kelly awo PME Jamal Musiala mu from Omo Academy no musobe on na oma balance na team na fa. Uko Real Madrid is here. You buy the Kylian Mbappé. You get in the Vinicius Junior, Jude Bellingham, but you have to blend them with Asensio mo, Gonzalo mo. No muso be fa system nim. Not what combine it. Now unko nim. Basa. A lot of examples. You buy key players. You promote La Masia boys. Almost your special. Now blend it. Now unko nim. Enti. There are two aspects of team building. The ones you buy, any what youth development project away now, and also so aspiring get out players the amount. Now, Rich in Pempe, there seems to be talking points with two of these approach at Manchester, with two huge examples in the conversation. Manchester team that was here. Rich, who is your biggest player? Amurisika Ekotoye, CA, Ushemu team Nina, when I am star.
As in the Edisika Kessia Tona, the face of the team.
Players now, and Yamana mu produce on my academy one. Our mom team CA. Who is the star in your team now? And yes, Kessia, Bamokoton, Bruno, Mewa. And I've seen there throughout this week. I'm not quite a real friend, and as I posted on an exclusive interview, I watched it before I slept. Is Bruno not in the mainstream conversation? Say, I say, or some complaints about loyalty, and in your and man, you will lose him to Saudi Arabia.
And right to crown so the same thing. So, United has any serious. So, who a player like Bruno?
Yes.
Now, player now Moon is willing to stay. But whole club no is trying to push a Brandon out.
Exactly. And see, the two streams of how you build a successful team. No? Bruno is the face of Yakoto Star Sabano. There's a huge talking point around him. Remember, some spending time on Bruno because we dealt with Bruno issue. No? Now, Rich, the second aspect, which is promoting youth players today. Who is your biggest academy player in your team?
Of course,
Kobe
Mainoo. And it's not like we didn't born about. And now Amorim we am kakra. It's not like the young boy only born about.
And there is also another issue with Kobe. Now, Enra, and you read so Oko YouTuber. There is a page. Or more discussing football matters. Your friend, I think, football talk, something like that. And Edra, Gary Neville, Jimmy Carragher, Ian Wright, then my former captain Roy Keane, with one woman be a mini meeting, were seated in a round table. Rich and Omo have a discussion on Kobe issue. No? Now, minim say whether it was planned on the show. Out of the four men, Rich na a divided when it comes to the opinion of Moshe. Now, I want to submit the two sides now. Na yedim komonika where you belong and where I belong. Guy never want started conversation. Supported by Ian Wright. Now, Rich, Gary ni Ian Wright argument and he say. Mu coach Amorim ba team nimu na. It seems say he created the impression. Say player be say Garnacho, Kobe Mainoo on Pelmo. Then he subsequently went to the press. And Okokachiro Obia say, look, me makachi Kobe say oni Bruno Fernandes and a preposition. And ti onshem no ompre. And it is the argument of Guy Neville and Right say And then in Manchester United, nobody can compete with Bruno. And when you tell the young guy, say, oh, the only Bruno on the airplane position, you are indirectly telling him, oh, you have more. That is the argument. Even to the extent, say, Guy never any ear right to say, Sanka ayano krasa Amorim per se, or Makobi Mainoo chance. Okay, this argument we've done here before, say, why is he not playing Bruno then in his right position, number 10, and leave the number 8 position for Kobe Mainoo, which is a natural position, you know? Now on Bokas Mainoo Ugarte as number 6. Then you will be fair with the young guy. But also on Bruno and pre-position. Position by I only 8 number and when you Bruno feeling number 10. And number 8 so only a branch and compete. So their argument was that look, Amorim actually say Akrano. Ban on Besa Akrano Benya Boni Biabo. And it is disturbing. If you know the history of Manchester United, the class of 92 and the examples of a youth team players, any day Amorim, any year Kobe Mainoo. Now, Rich, who said Omo argument? It sounds convincing, then comes Roy Keane, and you know Roy Keane, hard talker. Okay, so no one yaju will be one. The real cat nasem, or with aggression. Omudin commander Roy Keane say until Omu no asem no more can say. Now it seems say football now saying yes so no masododo. Sa also we Kobe Mainoo. Na unim boba. Na se coach catch you say mitimu. This is where a competition wa. If you are good, show the coach every day at training that you are good, and he will find a way to play you. Because Roy Keane Bankomani when he arrived, Coca said, or Gini said, the value of Kobe Esobetse, if today he is supposed to move out of the club, and that said they are branching talent city, you know. Say now Amorim say all money more playing time. Or Gini say the guy is being wasted. And then come Manchester United and for him Cologne. Now Uncle Jemimbo said the whether so back to Mainoo, say Obi Eddie scare bar. Kobe value no will be a value of player. Onya boni biabo at that time. Na Obi about the ton. The moment he right to raise that, and Roy Keane say, "Asamna you right, you can only nyaju back say." And this is the argument. Or say I was a Kobe Mainoo, Echo West Ham, Aston Villa, Club A, Bournemouth, Team Fufobi, to go and prove, say he is good enough. Then Ayala say he's not good enough to play for Manchester. The argument, you know, say movie club for. Let's say what here. Ubetinya training as a coaches mama playing time with ya. Then it is true, say you are not good enough to play for Manchester United. And that's say Ayala say who Kobe Mainoo only born a bar. Prove it at the training grounds. My coach in the mum, and then the tip I say, or Shabon now go training grounds now. Now, on to me for on the bench. And Jimmy Carragher say, Jimmy Carragher say, on the Roy Keane yarding. Okay. Because on no Jimmy Carragher, no queening a me, not on yet exceptional player. The time at Liverpool. Senkeba players of winning ball bar and Konya bimbo. But he was so tough in his mind. Say, me say me weakness wa. But a new man kitten so I am a strength, you know. Debi am coach training. May hard work with passion. Say the bear coach Nhyira was Senkeba talent in Quadia. Sami Hupia money. Agamuni body botching Karaga. But Abantana home for money the way Osi Eddie and Nibre training. Look, I have no option than to play him, whether as a center back, and I say even if I'm pep to crabby no omba na ho fermentino min position mano and that Ojidi say Kobe must do that at training. Then they both finish on one argument. They say, Rich, sometimes you may not have a place in coach beat team. So when the structure and this anomaly, but who for many who train you on one case will feel so guilty. Say, what's a bench with that quality our will training. And almost so say, a woman say, and TBM free current in mind say, Kobe doesn't train well, only attitude because one as on your be much as on train on your training. Omunya sign information, you know.
I mean that they be our training. Good. And he's training very well.
Yes, the advice say Omunya sign information. But almost so say, Omu fear they say, be another situation, you know. It's not impossible to do. And they were talking about on more time. You know? That would have been what they would do. And Roy Keane say, look, he rose to become the captain of Manchester United. Played almost every game during the peak. And Ojidi said it was not because Oya Roy Keane in Tia. It was not because Onimbo Bontia. It was because every day at training, he was giving Sir Alex Ferguson a reason to play him. And Kobe should fight hard out training and give the coach a reason to play him. And that's so our money Tilma and day. Now OTA suggesting say the only way he can get playing time is to move away from Manchester United. Now Uncle play baby no be modia, then it means I no cresa Manchester United team no on to me room. Now Rich, to be honest with you, I am convinced by both arguments. In all honesty.
Maybe I against the second one.
Reason is it.
And this is my reason. Look, Amorim, like you said, the poster about Manchester no, HSA, who player A, B or C on board, no matter the situation.
Okay.
Let me have a typical example, Garnacho. It's not like Garnacho no anyadi but problem no ni benyai no. Omanite has said, "Wo, I just say me Manchester team. Semi dasi your coach. Oh, Garnacho, you will not play."
Okay. Marcus
Rashford.
Nanto was saying Garnacho there. Rich, there were series of articles from Athletica.
Yeah.
Omo my background information and my behind the scenes intel and omo kase. Ebia enokre. Initially, coach, create a certain impression to Garnacho. Then the second argument kicks in. Say, after coach in the cancer, some channel, or money affected and who read a series of articles, the answer will be yes. Because they say, after some time,
not Garnacho training ground on.
Yes, or you're late for training, a boy on back training. So that is until say the second argument from Roy Keane was on and Masad in the mama say, Rich, Yawa is here. And Odianya Hampoa throughout our radio life. Rich, don't you have an example? And you one kasao of anybody. It's a wumpo crowd so a story so you can say it. Don't you have an example of at a point in your time in your career? People didn't see you as at the end of me. They didn't give you the chance. They created that impression to you. Rich, Sankawoma need the deal. And I ought die so go for it. Hey, me quite my debia, me on my production every year, or comment to Makoye, or Mcassa backup post Makoye, or Mcassa way Makoye. Still nano. They always prove to me, say, I will never be good enough to be given a first job. And a final comments so I don't know, men tell me who you be. And the working argument, say, you may be told that. You may be created an impression.
Ayala, you see, many Rocky Moyadri. And also more promo Casan, almost say, I wanted as I could be Mainoo training.
Yes.
And it's not like he's not training well.
Yes.
Hey, Ayala, you need people who are now. To say they're okay. Obey taking in trend positions at war. Miss Anto Sam in Wahano. Yes, I do be and you see, Bruno na I can say there's no unless a Bruno pra and I could be Mainoo. And James I could be Mainoo abono. A Brampton say he's a good player. And you're coaching and I just over bottom.
Okay.
Why do you tell me say on the air Bruno movement enter position? That is not fair.
So Rich, from the Nkoma Woody, are you trying to tell me say what be who Amorim mama? You are 100% convinced, say.
Yeah.
So, Kobe Mainoo.
O training yami
day.
What a Bobby on Jim and pass it on my mobile.
Say, on the
Amorim I know, sir.
On the board of Cotton and Papa State.
On what
to poke Aquasa.
Onyabimo. Just a Bruno.
At no point. And I about convincing coach like I said, my man be boom team.
Ayala my man another example. Say you both games are na Casemiro. If your yellow card, it me change near the Kobe Mainoo aba. Nti ade ntina coach ni nka say okay. Now ebia for Bruno or your untouchable or Manchester team no. Nti any say wo ne Casemiro mu che position no.
Okay.
Because but the examples are so only one man a brand and ban up of born how to use one stability.
Okay.
A typical example, you gave me any bomb of born and say, a brand and a ban who say, yes, I feel the United team, no, there's stability on FIFA. And today I'm a real of
okay, but Richie, with all what you said, Rakim was saying, okay, CCA, I can say, there's a situation with Bruno.
I was all
you could leave. Sade chine say Bruno kwa. Then per Amorim own words no. Position e ba beto wan nazo. Say ba beto Kobe nazo.
Sure.
So you play. Any games in Ghana Bruno Fernandes betimi abo. There are some FA Cup, Carabao Cups games are on Bobby. And those are the time you take your opportunity. Even at a point in time on a podcast, Keane had to ask Bruno Kobe Mainoo what he saying. Almost already 20 years. No, say, so when the 20 years, you are still young in football.
I was say program no, stick to football.
Stick to football, okay.
Okay.
Stick to football. Then he was asking, say, so when the 20 years are? Okay. In summing up Keane arguments now, Rich, what they are trying to say is, I said, and say football in common. Ma young players soft life dodo. Unya bi mako no ko pe Bobby. It's too easy. Give up easy, give up. Ko like Thiago Alcantara at Barcelona. Ina da bena zabi muni Iniesta mo be ko amenya bo ni bi abo. Barca team and he had moved on. Oko.
Say Bruno so. Bruno. Alcantara at a point.
No, but you see,
so when free Barca so so. If you game to win ball no.
You see, Alcantara Barca obi an so nimbo. So
but he man the chance to play
because they were telling him there is Xavi, there is Iniesta.
I go there Ayala can grow.
No, but
the Xavi ni Iniesta available.
But you see, I remember say be deviate bebre.
Okay.
But Rich, in 2015, the last time Barcelona J Champions League, our Berlin against Juve. Xavi was in a team. Xavi was there. So Abakaya, a J trophy, he lifted it. But he wasn't a starter. Because now Cantara playing on continue. When in the position, you got to have a Rakitic. If he's Sevilla, over two Xavi. Sankonya and Tobaseka Krebia. Ebia in 2015, time na Rakitic, Ajebor would have been his moment at Barcelona. But I don't want us to deviate, people. I'm just giving you examples of young players. Omu team's attitude. They came to meet a situation, said Kobe Mainoo and meet, you know. And now Keane say, we are now having a discussion on radio, podcast, TV about footballer. It makes it too easy to the young ones. Say, boy, say, what you say, special now when you body move on. Don't fight. Move on. But to him, that is not the way to advise young players. Tell them to fight, stay, fight.
You don't fight, you move on. Marcus Rashford, at a point, look, my Nhyira, career name could have message. Many Manchester team and Yemen Kui. He left, or Aston Villa Kakra, or could be look meaning bornable. It be a problem, many coaches need team the one in affecting Kakra. And no Baba Bruno, be Marcus Rashford. But you see, it is a Metuana as a coach in my memoir. Was it in China, me position? I'll leave. You could be a mere, you better appreciate me.
Okay, Rich, in some now, are you not sure, say, you are not ready to budge because you seem to have a certain also extreme mindset about Amorim, say, could be a dear, would you say, on penas manas or manim? Say, if you take that away, say, who is arguing if you are, will you agree with Kaga and Joaquin? Say,
sure, why not?
Say, if it's under a fair coach,
yes, with
the same situation,
I agree.
Then say if you agree,
me no me agree, but me problem here that Amorim now horses here, Oh, Ayala, naturally you go ha obetime share on poasem.
Okay, Rich.
Okay,
Rich. Yenyi Amorim as Manchester United coach. Na yamfa wo nkoye Manchester United coach. Will you play Mainoo ahead of Bruno?
A bit dependent training. You'll be able to
okay, you don't have access to training. You have access. You have access to look at them right now from their quality. You know.
Of course, Bruno will start.
So why then you blame?
No, me blame no. Me problem I me blame Amorim and they say, baby Bruno no bono. There's a could be mind to beat me a ball. It's difficult unless they be embassy by kind of great. Mr. Training can be bien no could be mind to be match day. You better bench Bruno. Nhyira could be mind to start game.
You see, I will make a certain argument before Amorim.
Okay.
Based on the interviewer Bruno and Rio Ferdinand in the podcast. And I think the whole interview is around 50 minutes. Mr. Reno Yatama Koshe. Bruno say he is a player throughout the career. Wabo as a number 10. And Rio Ferdinand Ibusane say, now you play more deep as a 8 under the new Amorim structure. Ujidi say, a dear intina coach in a take decision. Maybe a year or about the
Sure.
But now it is you, tactically. A dear Amorim catcher will say, a nunti and one more about deep no. Rich, I listened to Bruno's answers and I am convinced why Amorim never said Obadipro. Tactically. Or say Amorim want to create a Manchester United team. I want more creativity or park in a song. Now omutimi attack with variety. That is the reason why baby Amorim na ye adwuma bia no. De bia sa unso bi cheche ne tactics mu a o se obo 2 inside number 10s meboa. Enti Amorim ebo ne 3 back. No about 2 wing backs. No about 2 central midfield 6 and 8. No about 2 inside number 10s. No about 1 striker. Anyesa. Now according to Bruno, sir, inside number 10s no. In the Amorim dressing room and on the tactical board, those inside number 10s are supposed to be players, they must score goals. And they are players, they should be taking quick within tight spaces. Now, the entire Onunu Bruno, Amorim Amonako deep and say, in feeding those inside number 10s, and the wing backs and the striker, you need a player. Say space near say grana. Now omujina space ni mu year. You will be able to find them so that in quick transitions, they can hurt the opponent.
Which and also there any trademark no.
So you see, and see if there is a tactical understanding of how Amorim person bar, Rich, do you then fault him? Say, oh, to see Bruno Fernandes in that role, and the young fan role ahead of Kobe. We are not saying say Kobe can give you hold on to the ball retention. Because Oyadi was idea no or constructive play. Say the tempo no. But what Kobe any Bruno ever in abundance. Yes, I daring pass no. Tokuni yetia for pass ni semuntentem. Ma pass ni mko kunya. Immomo mu omo quick no muntimentene. Amadi jina here in vertical. We must find him quick because I want a space in the wall. From deep, Bruno is a specialist. It's rich. Me no me tie ya me de compare Bruno interview with Rio Ferdinand no. I said the be asama ya make no. Sometimes when you are very very far away from a situation, your judgment may be very very wrong.
Okay.
Until omo gives you a lot of information about Adiano, then you understand. Now, Rich, in moving on, as different from topic na discussion. It is the same contest. And Semetise and Kofo discuss Kotoko has today. Now, omo problem and say Kotoko has are not able to compete on all fronts. Now, omo mention clubs bisi say Ali, Sundowns, any big clubs in Africa with that. Then
TP Maximbe.
Yeah. Then you see, Rich, it is a clear case of. Colleagues. So I don't want to say a clear case of ignorance, but a disingenuous. Rich, who says Kotoko ball fast track friendly game? You say news striker be Alassani,
Ivory Coast,
Koulibaly, Abeshego, and Kofo say oh, into Kotoko trial to replace Albert Amorim, and that's Kotoko standard. Kotoko standard bear. Kotoko standard no. Also Kotoko top. If you are arguing, say so what discount Albert Amorim deal no one invest that. Rich, if Kotoko will invest Albert Amorim into another striker, say they come Albert Amorim and Gasatra. The truth of the matter in 2 minutes, and we may catch the radio listeners. Kotoko has supporters no, and they say. If you are listening to a radio show, no media many person will create the impression will say Kotoko has omumpe phone enim di omo ye. That is why they can't buy quality. Your first question to them and they say quality no sebi rich and now bosia na edito. And in your fair evaluation of Kotoko has today, do they have the money?
No.
So how do you expect them to compete?
Most supporters don't go stadium.
You don't go to stadium. Ghana have football now. A
gate.
Even when we are able to raise superstars,
they will leave.
How much are we able to sell them? You are $200,000. The $200,000, Rich, so according to the budget of the club, medical bills, TNT, accommodation, salaries, other expenses.
Andrew half and put.
So
now his car is someone now cried 80 Monday.
So I am asking.
Individual.
Good. So I am asking, say, Rich, and this goes straight into you raise nearly the discourse. No? When we raise high standards.
Now,
when you term Kotoko, what they call
we are talking about TP Mazimba or Kobo CAF Champions League in Nkwan and the budget there $10 million.
So
Champions League in Nkwan $10 million.
So how do you expect Kotoko?
It's disingenuous
when me catch you when you listen to any radio person. Oh, kotoko no one for the wemo, and it's a top player, 2 point, na kotoko Timmy Toby, I'm good team.
Kotoko half 1.5 million.
Second way, if I
was Gamugovano.
Anti rich. Are we
salaries growing?
Are we saying, say, sebi? Yeah, TV radios, and Kayena. I bet I'm ever born kotoko. Atin and Abenga. Are we saying, say, yeah, TV radios, Kayena. Kotoko will be able to keep someone now than an Abenga. Another impression that we create. Maybe somebody here. Say play be free has a. Are we saying say as a young puno yenya? Look, I am not but it is because you are far away from the situation. Do you know how we are able to generate revenue, income to take care of the club every day? Do you know?
Oh, you see, young says, teams they are far gone. Ali TP Mazimbe, baby Omukono.
Which
you got on here, Omunian do have
Eluntina.
Yen Jazz here don't compare.
Eluntina. Before your discussions on radio, your discussions on TV, your discussions on podcasts and social media, before you bet in Yaka say, Kotoko should compete with that. Kotoko should compete early, Sundance move for quality players and compete consistently with Africa. Let's start the fundamental topics and discussions on how they can raise funds. Look, Mupa for 2 years. Nayan discuss it. For solutions, bra. Ye Kotoko, ye has. Ye other clubs no. And the end, ye be ye way bo ni mua. Supporters best at Chako Stadium. Kotoko best at Chafili Baba Stadium. Corporate institutions most say, it's tough for na ba. Because look, the reason why they are not investing is that they can't invest to empty seats. They must invest to the crowd. So the crowd will do business with them. I don't think I'm saying, for years, Rich, so what you say, Obi can say, you must get success and sign a supporters number. You must get success and sign a Obi Sika about the shame. It is wrong analysis.
And success in a bed and
it is way wrong analysis.
Success
in football.
And one minute the players.
You see?
Who is the car the better quality? They be a man for bubble.
You see, Rich, you must find the balance.
Okay.
Something must attract the supporters. Migitum. There was an attractive supporters, must be a certain level of quality. Migitum. But what will sustain the attraction and the quality, is when we conscientize the supporters. Say, in football, are they attractive to a normal marketing product? Football, the end, or be any edge be any soon be a bull or normal wasi jom o kotade. You ever say okope in suato? Udru ono in so be brain or chefs so. You'll be attracted to more bottle on the MFA. The Roma designer at the MFA. Label never when the MFA. Adverts no more running now, media or radio, may well TV no. Adverts no crowd attracting me to the product. Pricing, maybe where the other ball from, where the other ball through. Look, in normal marketing, that is how you are able to study consumer behavior. But Rich, some marketing bibiano in football, there is another level of marketing, which is the tradition in you. Am I attached to a certain club?
Yeah. No matter the situation.
That is the word.
I'll go to stadium.
That is the word.
I am a house of folk. No matter what.
Yes. Whether Nebuah the chief for whether the NFL chino, what me a kotokoni. Semetisa kotokoya de obebia. I will go and support. Almost here register for Abu census. Me a kotokoni. I am not looking at whether kotoko quality, whether omu J cap. Me a kotokoni. look, say I started and develop a culture in our supporters. Send them no for you, Rich, that is the only way they can meet halfway. What the club can build as foundation, they will add the source to it. They will be able to climb when you talk about say, generating income. Say, yes, how they are. Rich, it is always disingenuous and you're absurd and you're wrong to sit on radio or any platform to have a discussion and say, Kotoko must reach the level of Sundance. In Pempe woman, and son what I say, are we serious? How can you just say that?
Messages kakra bi na fei yam heard the passage of the sports fan bill no kakra bi because me say nyame adom ochina no yebedi nkomo no bebrede afa Sylvester said the mere fact that he said Mainoo is competing with Bruno justified